Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga hashtag walang pasok. Ito po, naglabas po ang Malacanang ng Proclamation number 1160. Ito ay declaring Friday, February 27, 2026, a special non-working day in the city of General Santos. Ito ay dahil sa February 27, General Santos City will mark the celebration of the Kalilangan Festival. Itong festival na ito ay ginugunita nila ang paglanding ni General Paulino Santos at yung kanyang mga kasama galing Luzon. Sila ay naglanding sa Sarangani Bay. Sila yung mga unang nanirahan dyan sa General Santos. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1159, declaring Tuesday, February 24, 2026, a special non-working day in the province of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ito ay dahil sa February 24, 2026, Martes po ito. The province of Zamboanga, Sibugay will mark the celebration of its 25th founding anniversary. Happy founding anniversary sa buong probinsya ng Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ito pa, Proclamation number 1158. Ito ay nag-declare na sa Friday, February 13, 2026, a special non-working day in the city of Parañaque. Ito ay dahil sa nasabing petsa, Biyernes po ito, the city of Parañaque will mark the celebration of its 28th cityhood anniversary. It is but fitting and proper that the people of the city of Parañaque will be given full opportunity to participate in the occasion and enjoy the celebration. Sabi pa dito, now therefore I, Ralph G. Ricto, Acting Executive Secretary, by authority of the President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., do hereby declare Friday, February 13, 2026, a special non-working day in the city of Parañaque. Guys, hanggang dito na lang po muna. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung di nyo pa ito nagawa. Bye-bye!